Actually, nobody had choice, I will say, because when we started from scratch in 2013, and that time he saw that what is happening and how people are flocking in with nothing in their sight, that what is going to happen, still they were joining, and that time he felt that I also should be there. So he is a founder member, and he told me that we will start and we will make it big.
See, Adil has joined in my company more than a decade now. It was his choice, in fact. Instead of working, he must have thought to enter into a business.
Very proud moment for us today to be interviewed as Anosha's parents. That identity of being Anosha's parents in the travel business means a lot to us, yeah? So he has chosen this field himself. He was never pushed into it, never. In fact, he did work, we saw to it that he worked elsewhere before he came and thought of joining us. Here out of India, he has worked and then he has come back and chosen this profession thinking that yes, I need to carry this legacy forward.
And his passion, so I said better develop the business qualities rather than pursuing which is not a passion. So he joined us. I asked him to join me, and I believe that time he was only 18 years old. That young he was. So he was in college, junior college, and he came to work with us. So I said better you start with. So he learned accounts, and jointly it was a decision that yes, I would work with you.
What has happened, it's a coincidence, and luckily Kulin is enough lucky for that, because so Kulin went specially to US for this purpose. So Kulin went there and they were at about 20 people, elderly people get together, and they were questioning and planning, questioning for the planning of Australia tour. So Kulin get them proper understand, and they decide that we will go to the Australia definitely, and we'll go with the Kulin Kumar only. And with his own idea, he did that, and he joined this in I think at the age of 16, 17 years.
We decided simple things like if we are together in business, let's stay separate. That is first thing. Second thing is synergetically, each one is strong in his or her area. So not to interfere, at the same time we all should be on the same page. Like this is also being on the same page is Neil's idea.
I deal with him as my friend only, not like my son here in my platform. And I have given him all freedom to go ahead as per his vision and views and strategies, and to understand the trade.
He is a boy who is very focused with his thoughts from the time he was a kid. So he knows exactly what he needs to do. There have been at times that we've been into arguments, we've been into healthy arguments in the office, but at the same time, he has been mentored by his father. He has seen the way his father works. He has seen how committed we are to our business, and that definitely carries him a lot better. But at home again, we hardly discuss work. Then we are the dad, mom, and he's our son.
No, but in the office, it's definitely work.
Yeah, it's work ethic.
In office, I was a strict boss. So Suprabh, if he is coming to the office, he has to definitely report to the team. He would not report to me. So my senior managers, not only senior manager, right from my reception, he has to meet people, greet them, discuss with them, talk with them, understand the work from them, and regard them as the senior. Lovingly, not only Suprabh, then Bhavesh joined us also. So they both lovingly accepted this role.
All I teach them, the goodwill is the most important. Money is the secondary thing. It is required, but not at the cost of the goodwill.
Calm, composed always. He has he is very decisive. He is there for the team. In the world, there will be a lot of disruptions now, and it is going to be a turmoil all the time. and if you are not calm and composed, I think it is going to make troubles. So Neil has those, inborn qualities, and he is sharpening that, I think so, and I think that will help the organization grow further.
As per his vision, he strategized his method and policies to grow and enhance his network and connectivities.
He's always been a leader, I think.
He has those qualities in him from the beginning. He can lead you. He is a superb orator. He talks very well. He's, like I said, very focused with what he wants to do. His vision, his total foresight, yes, I would say, and extreme commitment to what he's doing.
The basic quality which I love about him is that he has the passion to work, and above that he has got he is very thankful and forgiving nature. He respects the team members also, and he respects the business as well.
He is a very loving, and without any self-motivated interest, he has a relation with the all. No, not a motivated interest, not a self-interest. Interest is everything in good faith. Good faith.
I am always in a hurry, and he is like, oh God, why you are so much in hurry? Yeah, hyperactive always. Paper person, paper pen person, old school. He is all computers and everything.
As per the advanced world, in a digital world, so everything they do based on some kind of an innovations, resilience connected to the technology. My way of doing was traditionally what we used to do in a traditional platform, whereas in New Gen, they have their own concepts in a digital platform.
I am from the different world where we believe in taking a phone and talking, whereas he believes in sending an email,
That's modernization.
WhatsApp.
Exactly. He is more to the person. Pick up the phone, talk to them. He says, Dad, it's okay. Everything goes on the email.
For example, if
You
I
know?
were to tell something to my ticketing department, I would shout from here and it would come running to me, Dad, send a mail.
For us, it's more human, like a person touch. Pick up the phone, talk to them, because we do belong to that world.
Me and my brother both had started this as a first gen business. So we were always in a hurry, and both of us didn't have the passion to really go into the depth of it. Suprabh has got that passion. He goes in depth. He doesn't care for time, it's midnight, no problem, but his passion he'll follow. He has no cut off time. He'll keep working. He believes in a process. He builds a process with perfection where the results come by on its own.
At that time, the technology, the information technology was not that. So it was only the communication by post and by telegram and the lightning call. And so now in this decade, this current decade, the children has got a information technology, wide field of the information technology. भी मैं कई बार बोलता हूँ भाई ऐसे बात करो, ऐसे करो, फोन करो, ये करो, बोले नो पापा, कंप्यूटर. Appreciate their system of working, and they have established the system, and I also agreed with them. I was differ, but I agreed that they have established the system to work, and once system is started to work, then mistake is very less chance to be happen, and very less chance to dissatisfaction to the passengers.
We are fortunate parents, and see, every business struggles with transition phase. Who is the successor, or who will take care of the business afterwards? But we do not have, like myself and most probably dad also, that question is not there in front of us. because we know that we have a great successor like you who will take care of the things better than ourselves, because you have that courage, confidence.
Adele, I am very proud of you because I am very confident about your vision and the strategies you adopt to accomplish your visions. So you are fully focused and interested in your business.
Anosh, we've told you that this is your office. Take it forward. I must have got it from 0 to 20 or 30. I want you to take it to 100. And he's doing that. You're doing a good job.
Anush, I know you are doing a fantastic job at Ahura. You have taken this company to 10, from 1 to 10, but I still want you to soar higher because the sky is the limit. And we are so sure you're going to carry this legacy forward. So stay calm, stay positive, stay put, because it's a small world.
That you should take life and business each day as it comes to you and build your passion further in depth. When you do it with passion, your next gen also will learn from you. This is what my personal advice is. Keep the nature of giving back to the society also.
In my place, he's ahead. So Kulin and all the Rajesh and Pratik, I would advise you to be very honest. Passenger need, you try to understand the passenger need, their feeling and their requirement and their उनका सपना क्या है, किसके लिए जा रहे हैं, वो आप पहले देखो. और मेरी हृदय में, मेरे आँखों में, मेरे दिमाग में वो तीनों ने जो एक अपनी छवि बनाई, अपनी एक स्मार्टनेस से अपना काम में आगे बढ़ने का किया, उससे मैं बहुत, मुझे अपने आप में गर्व है कि तीनों बच्चों ने अच्छा सा काम किया.